Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to experiment with Google's Gemini models for writing, coding, summarizing, or answering questions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, and once you're on the dashboard, start a new prompt by clicking New Prompt or Create Prompt. Next, locate the Model Selection menu at the top of the workspace. Choose one of the available Gemini models that best fits your task. If you're unsure which one to use, you can start with the default recommended model. Now type your prompt into the editor. Be clear and specific about what you want. You can ask Gemini to generate text, explain concepts, write code, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, or help with many other tasks. Next, click the Run or Generate button and wait a few seconds while Gemini processes your request and creates a response. Review the output carefully. If you'd like a better result, refine your prompt by adding more details, changing the instructions, or asking follow-up questions to continue the conversation. As you become more familiar with Google AI Studio, experiment with different Gemini models and prompt styles to discover which combinations work best for your projects. Finally, save or copy the responses you want to keep and continue exploring the platform's AI features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Gemini in Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.